Also, try to have an understanding of your scope, at least at a high level, before you have a conversation. I'm happy to have a conversation at any stage, right? Because even if I can be helpful in like guiding clients to specific documentation, depending on where they're at, or to the right partners of, hey, this would be a really good partner based on where you're at. And then you might want to look at X or Y or Z. I really pride myself on trying to map that out for a lot of different clients. But once you're looking for a quote, that's another thing that I get a lot. People come to me, hey, what's this going to cost? What's this going to cost? What's this going to cost? And then I'll ask like two or three very high level, very basic scoping questions. And they're like, I don't know. And I'm like, well, you're probably not ready to have something scoped to get a cost or to move into the assessment. So I would say definitely have at least a sense of your scope. And that can give me a sense when I ask that question as to like how ready you actually are, and thus which partners or where you need to start in the process. Because if you go, yeah, I don't know, like the data flow thing you talked about, just a very basic, like, okay, well, do you handle CUI? Where does it flow within your organization? All that sort of stuff. And they're like, yeah, I don't really know. I'm like, well, that's not good. You probably need to get a handle on that. So I would say if you're reaching out to CWOs to get, hey, give me a firm fixed fee quote, and you can't answer like very basic scoping questions, like you're probably not going to get that firm fixed fee quote. I'll give you a ballpark, right, of what we see, but I have run into that a lot too.